Hello everyone, good to see you again in the video. Sorry about haven't been contact you or show your movement in the last, and like I said, it was doing well. Now I'm come back. I just received a question from one of my students, and he got a good question, which is, if you don't have time to training, what you can do? Just use one movement to maintain your training. Okay, I think this is a really good question, because as we know, really sometimes we really don't have time to training, but we really want to keep on. Now what we can do, I create one movement that improve your balance, okay, concentrate, strength, and the core strength as well. Okay, let me show you. Very simple, very basic. Okay, stand here, take a breath, make yourself comfortable. Then you just up your knee. 金鸡独立. Alright, so this is help your body balance and concentrate for 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from there, then move your feet up. This is the strength. 10 seconds as well. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and take a rest. Then you swap other side. Up your knee, 金鸡独立. 10 seconds. Try knee as high as you can. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the next, lean forward straight, leg straight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, that's good. Move the leg, other leg, move back. Like a hook. Body, take that move back. The leg as high as you can. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. And change other side. Move the leg up. Keep the leg bent. Body try straight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Relax. That's the movement. Let me show you why we said improve your strength, balance, focus. First movement is here. See that? You have to concentrate. Use your body, keep your balance. Use your feet. Okay, stay there. Second, strength. Move your knee a little bit more high at the same time. Keep your feet up. Okay. This is improve your side, legs, muscles, glute muscle, stomach muscle, and thigh muscles. You're able to hold this movement. At the same time, the balance and focus. And the back one as well, say, when move for hook. Must focus on my heel, move back. At the same time, I move like a circle, like a hook, up. And body move back. This helps your back core area, build the strength to hold this movement. Same time, use the hamstring strength as well. So simple movement, it trains your body. Okay, so just make sure when you do, you don't have to exactly train it 10 seconds first. You can start from 5 seconds, gradually build it up. Also, this movement especially for Qi Hao. Okay, this is the question from Qihao. So I hope the movement helps you, Qihao, and make you Kung Fu better, better, and better. All right, have a nice day. I see you next video. Bye bye.